It's Wednesday, the 14th of August 2024. Welcome to the 96th edition of the Ouria newsletter series, where we shall discuss pathways to improving access to cold storage agricultural systems in Africa. Opening purview. Cold storage plays a vital role in ensuring the quality and shelf life of agricultural products, especially in developing regions like Africa. However, access to cold storage systems remains a challenge, limiting the ability of farmers to efficiently and effectively preserve their crops. The current state of cold storage infrastructure in Africa is underdeveloped and often inadequate. Many rural areas lack reliable electricity, which is essential for maintaining cold storage facilities. Additionally, the existing cold storage units are often outdated and insufficient to meet the needs of local farmers, leading to significant post-harvest losses. This series explores the pathways to improving access to cold storage agricultural systems in Africa, examining the definitions, antecedents, challenges, opportunities, and international best practice. Definition of cold storage. Cold storage refers to the process of storing agricultural products at low temperatures, typically below 0 degrees Celsius, to maintain their freshness, extend their shelf life, and enhance marketability. It involves the use of technologies such as refrigeration systems and cold chambers to preserve the quality and integrity of perishable goods.
Antecedents to improving access to cold storage. Several factors contribute to the limited access to cold storage systems in Africa. One antecedent is the poor infrastructure, including limited electricity access and unreliable power grids. Another antecedent is the lack of proper storage facilities, including inadequate storage facilities and inadequate storage facilities in rural areas. Additionally, the lack of cold storage networks, transportation logistics, and the absence of a cold chain infrastructure further hinder the development of cold storage systems. Challenges faced in improving access to cold storage. Improving access to cold storage systems in Africa faces several challenges. One significant challenge is the limited availability of technical expertise and skills required to operate and maintain cold storage facilities. Another challenge is the high initial investment required for establishing cold storage infrastructure, which can be challenging for small-scale farmers and rural entrepreneurs with limited financial resources. Additionally, the lack of proper regulatory frameworks to support and promote cold storage development also poses a significant barrier.
Opportunities for improving access to cold storage. Despite the challenges, there are several opportunities for improving access to cold storage systems in Africa. One opportunity is the untapped potential of public-private partnerships, where governments, private sector entities, and development organizations collaborate to establish cold storage infrastructure. Another opportunity lies in leveraging digital technologies, such as remote monitoring systems and smart logistics, to optimize cold chain management and enhance efficiency. Additionally, international best practices and lessons learned from other regions can help inform the development of cold storage systems in Africa. International best practice for improving access to cold storage. International best practices play a crucial role in guiding the development of cold storage systems in Africa. One best practice is the establishment of cold chain infrastructure, which includes refrigeration systems, transportation networks, storage facilities, and cold storage facilities. Another best practice is the promotion of sustainable cold chain practices, such as energy-efficient technologies, waste management, and temperature control systems. Additionally, capacity-building programs, technical assistance, and knowledge-sharing initiatives can help transfer knowledge and best practices to African countries seeking to improve access to cold storage systems.
Conclusion. Improving access to cold storage agricultural systems in Africa is essential for enhancing food safety and security, improving market competitiveness, and contributing to rural development. By addressing the antecedents, challenges, and opportunities associated with improving cold storage systems, African countries can adopt international best practices and develop sustainable cold chain infrastructure. Collaboration between governments, private sector entities, and development organizations is essential in realizing the full potential of cold storage systems in Africa. If you would like to learn more or wish to discuss paid brand sponsorship of any of our agribusiness videos, please contact us on any of the social media handles below. Quote of the week: "A lack of cold storage facilities makes rural populations vulnerable to climate shocks." FAO.